Hello everyone, I'm Gyan and you are learning computer science with Python for class 11th. In the previous video, we already have learned about various operators supported by Python. But what happens if more than one operators are present together in a given expression? What will happen if in a Python statement we have more than one operators are present? Which operator is going to execute first and which operator is going to execute next? How this thing will be decided? This gets decided on the basis of precedence and associativity of operators. So let's learn about precedence and associativity of operators. Precedence and associativity of operators. See, this is the list of precedence of various operators used in Python. The parenthesis means opening and closing a small bracket has highest precedence. That means if there are more than one operators present in an expression, then the parenthesis is going to execute first. After that, the next highest precedence is of exponentiation operator. The next highest precedent after exponentiation is bitwise not. Then the unary operator, the unary plus and unary minus together has the next precedence. Both unary plus and unary minus have same precedence if you compare them together. But these two operators are at this level of precedence. After that, multiplication, division, floor division and modulo, these four operators are having same precedence at this level. Okay, that means we can say that this multiplication, division, floor division and modulo operators have more precedence than plus and minus operators. But these four operators are having same precedence if you compare them together. Okay, similarly plus and minus operators are having same precedence if you compare them together, but they have less precedence than multiplication, division, floor division or modulo. Okay, so as you can see, this is the precedence of various operators. I have taken this picture from Sumita Arora book and this is what your precedence is. Now let's see a Python statement having various operators are used. 2 plus 3 multiplied by 5. Now tell me, which operation will execute first? Check here, multiplication has higher precedence than plus. Therefore, the multiplication will execute first. So it is going to be 3 multiplied by 5 means 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. That's how we have 17. 2 is greater than 5 or 5 is less than 7. Look at here, there are three operators in use. Greater than, less than, these two are relational operators and the logical operator OR. If you look at the precedence list, then less than and greater than are having the same precedence, but these two operators have more precedence than OR operator. Therefore, these two operators will be evaluated first. This one will be evaluated to false and this one will be evaluated to true. And then after, OR operation will be applied on false or true, which is going to result true. Now if you look at here, the AND operator, that means the logical AND operator, has more precedence than logical OR operator. If I write here true or true and false. Now tell me what will be the result. I have OR operator and I have a AND operator. Which one will execute first? Of course, AND operator is going to execute first because AND has the higher precedence than OR operator. So AND will execute first. True and false will result false. And then after we have to execute true or false. and that will return on true. That means this whole expression is going to return false, and then we are left with true or complete false, which will result true ultimately. So that's how it executes, because AND has higher precedence than OR. But now let's see a situation. 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 5. Now tell me which operator will execute first. Let's see the precedence list. Here is the precedence list, and both multiplication and division operators are at the same precedence level. So both the operators are having same precedence. Now how we decide that which operator will execute first? Okay, because both are having same precedence. If one had different precedence than other, then this was easy to decide which operator to execute first. But right now, both the operators are having the same precedence. Then what to do? Here comes something called associativity of operator. Associativity of operators. There are two types of associativity supported by Python. One is called left to right, and other one is called right to left. Left to right associativity means, suppose that I have 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 5, and both multiplication and division are having same precedence, then which one will execute first will be decided by the associativity of the operator. Here both the operators multiplication and division are having same associativity. Okay, both are left to right associative. Okay, now question is, what do you mean by left to right associative operators? If an operator is left to right associative, that means that operator will execute first in which there is no same level of calculation on its left. So here in the multiplication there is no same level of calculation on its left, there is just 2 here. Okay, but if you look at division, there is same level of calculation on its left. So the division operator will not execute before the multiplication operator, because on the left of division operator there is same level of calculation, but in the left of multiplication operator there is no same level of calculation. Therefore the multiplication operator will execute before then the division operator. Therefore multiplication will execute first, and this will result 14 by 5. Okay, and this is going to return 2.8. Now look at this case. Here again both division and multiplication are having the same precedence, so we will decide on the basis of associativity. Now both the operators are left to right associative, so that operator will execute first which does not have same level of operation on its left. Here the multiplication has same level of operation on its left, but the division does not have same level of multiplication on its left. So here in this case the division will execute first, and we will have 2 divided by 7 will execute first. When you do 2 by 7, it is going to return you 0.28 something, and when you multiply 0.28 by 5 you are going to get 1.4285. So this is how it works. Let me write 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 5, and here multiplication will execute first and you will get 2.8. So this is the associativity of operator. Now you may ask, which operators are having left to right associativity and which operators are having right to left associativity? Almost all the operators are having left to right associativity, and only 2 operators are having right to left associativity. One is the exponentiation operator and other one is the assignment operator. So these 2 operators have right to left associativity, and other operators have left to right associativity. Okay, therefore suppose that if I write here 3 exponentiation 3 exponentiation 2, so the rightmost exponentiation will execute first. Okay, because exponentiation is right to left associative, so we will check if there is no same level of calculation on the right, then only that operator will execute. Here, if you look at this exponentiation operator, it has same level of calculation on its right. So this exponentiation operator is not going to be executed first. But this exponentiation operator does not have any same level of calculation, same level of operation on its right. Therefore, this one will execute first. So this expression will be converted to 3 exponentiation 9, and which will ultimately result in 19683. Now let's calculate it practically. 3 exponentiation 3 exponentiation 2. Press enter and we have this value. And if you try 3 exponentiation 9, we will have same value. Okay, so exponentiation is going to be calculated from right to left, not from left to right. If you do something like x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 3, in this case x is 3, y is 3, z is 3, because the assignment operator is also right to left associative. That means this assignment will happen first, z will store 3, then whatever is there in z that will be stored in y, and then whatever is there in y that will be stored in x. It is coming from right to left. So assignment operator has the associativity from right to left. So hopefully now you are getting the meaning of precedence and associativity of operators. See you in the next video where we will learn about expressions in Python.